In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up IP address for domain in GoDaddy. If you want your domain to point to a specific server or hosting account, updating the DNS settings is the key step. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add an A record in GoDaddy so your domain connects to the correct IP address. This process is simple once you know where to look, and I'll guide you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account where your domain is registered, because DNS settings are managed from there. Once you're logged in, go to your profile area. This is where you can access the different products and services connected to your account. From the profile section, click on My Products. This page gives you an overview of everything you own inside GoDaddy, including domains, hosting plans, and other services. Look for the domain you want to update, then click on Domain to open its management options. After that, select DNS. This will take you to the DNS management page, which is where your domain records are stored. These records control how your domain behaves, including where it sends visitors when they type your website address into a browser. Under the DNS Records section, click Add New Record. This is where you create a new connection between your domain and the IP address of your server. For the record type, select A. An A record is used to point a domain or subdomain to an IPv4 address, which is the standard format most hosting providers give you. Once you select A, you'll see fields you need to complete. In the name field, enter the host name you want to use. If you want the main domain to point to the IP address, this is typically set to the root option or left as directed by GoDaddy's interface. If you're setting up a subdomain instead, enter the subdomain name in this field. Next, in the value field, enter the IP address you want the domain to point to. Be careful here, because even one incorrect digit can send traffic to the wrong server or stop the site from loading properly. Then select the TTL setting. TTL stands for Time to Live, and it controls how long DNS information is cached before it refreshes. In most cases, the default option works perfectly fine unless you have a specific reason to change it. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your new DNS record will then be added. Keep in mind that DNS changes may not take effect instantly, so it can take some time before the domain fully points to the new IP address.